Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty simple design, you know, but it's more about how to make this shape. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the polygon tool set on six-sided. I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to hit P to put it in the center page. There are 13 nodes. We want to get rid of this center one. And because it's in polygon mode, all we have to do is go minus. And so now we only have 7. Go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners and set it like on 14 and select them all. Well, first of all, you got to go to Object, convert it to a curve, and then select them all and start it, say, around 14. That's a pretty good shape. And once you hit apply, it'll be like that. Now I want it the other direction, so I'm gonna get off that and mirror it because I want that item right there. Now I'm going to go to the effects and contour. I'm going to contour 2.5 inches to the inside. And you could play around with that. Now, we did start in the center of the page, but we've manipulated it so much, it's not going to really rotate. So we're going to have to just rotate the line. I'm going to get the 3-point curve line. I'm going to go from that node to that node, and then I'm going to put a little curve to it. Now, Control D to make a duplicate, Alternate C to rotate from the center, but I don't think it's going to work, and rotate it 120 degrees. See, it's way out here. So just take this and it'll snap to it. Control D makes it 240 degrees. Have it snap to it. So now you have your 3 things. We really don't need the lines, but I'm going to go ahead and group them together. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to make this one a different color. I like that turquoise or that whatever it is. Take that, use the interactive fill tool and give it a little darkness to one corner. Now, once again, it's not going to rotate. I wish it would. I haven't quite figured that out. Control D, even if I alternate C and rotate 120 degrees. You need to rotate it 120 degrees anyway to get in the same aspect. Then get that node and have it snap to that node. And then Control D again, and it did it 240. Now what I like about this, now we can nudge one of them out of the way, and we can grab our lines and then nudge this back. Well, somehow my nudge changed on me, so let me go back. Somehow my nudge changed to a little bitty nudge. Let's go like 2 inches and nudge it, and then grab the line and delete it, and then we could just nudge this back. And then it's really going to stand out when you put a black box around it. Because that actually, the interactive fill tool makes it look like it's going around that corner and getting darker. Now it's got black lines, but we can select it all and we can right click our mouse and take away the line. Or you could add white lines, or you could add that. I've lost my turquoise. I need to figure out how to fix that. But anyway, I like it with no lines whatsoever. Anyway, cool little project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.